Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a services schema for your WordPress website. So while this your schema is installed and active, you can go to advanced schema item and click on add new. Under the preset section there is an easy way to add this services schema. So if you click on this service and generate properties, it will give this success message, and if you click on this link, it have populated all the required fields for the services. So if you click on this, it explains it's a service type and we are not linking any of the existing, and this is the property value. So what are these actually? If you go to the schema.org and you search for like this service type right over here, so it can be a text or a government benefits type, and the details are mentioned over the schema.org. So you can fill out this option property, or if you want to link it to the CPT like a services CPT that you might have already created, then you can link to the post title for that CPT. And under the settings, if you scroll down, you can include it to any particular CPT to show. Like for instance, if you have already created a services CPT, it will appear over here and you can just simply select it, and this schema will be applied to that particular service automatically. I hope this answers the questions. One more thing, under the settings, you might want to include your edit schema over here, like activated. So if you want to show, I guess I have not published it. Let me just first publish this, click, and once this is published, you can reload the settings page, and this schema will show right over here. So if you can, if you want to include this schema to like these posts or your custom CPT, you can always do that. Similarly, if you want to add any of the new other properties from the service, you can simply click on this field link and you can search for that. For instance, we might want to add, say, offers, just giving you an example, or an alternate name. So what we are going to do is we are going to search for this like this, and then we can link or add any existing value for this property ID. I hope this answers the questions of how to add a services schema using the USchema plugin. Thank you for watching.